What are the different mixes that KiS Organics offers and how do you use them in your garden? I wanted to make a video explaining the differences between our mixes and then breaking down when and where you might use each of them. So first and foremost, we have our seed starter mix. This mix is great for starting seeds, as the name implies. It is very high in aeration. It's going to use a smaller piece of perlite in there so that you're not blocking seeds. They're going to be able to germinate well, and it drains really, really well so that there's a lot of air and porosity. Very little fertility because we don't want a lot of fertility for seeds in general. Next up, we have our veggie mix. Now, the reason we call it our veggie mix is because it works great for all garden vegetables. It's the one that we sell probably the most of for people who are just doing home gardens like what you see here. It's going to have a charge of fertility, but when I originally designed it, we thought about calling it veg mix because it was really designed for people who are growing cannabis, particularly who wanted something for veg initially. So that's where this blend came up. It's going to be a little less expensive. It's going to have a little less fertility. If I were to compare it with something else on the market currently, I'd say it's a lot like Fox Farm Ocean Forest, but using very high quality ingredients and probably a little bit better fertility. Very, very clean product as well. Next, I have our original soil here. This is our water only mix. This is the very first soil that we ever offered and where our company really started. We call it water only because the idea is that you could go from a seed all the way through to harvest with nothing but water. Granted, you have to use a large enough container, say a 7-gallon pot or larger with cannabis, but for your average garden like you see here, it's going to work great for everything from lettuce to tomatoes and even your cannabis plants. Now, speaking of cannabis, for my autos, you can see this bag is open here. It's because I actually just pulled some out of there to plant some autoflower seeds. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that run goes, and I'll share that on here as well. And then next up, we have our biochar soil. The biochar soil is unique in that it has 8% black owl biochar in there by volume. The Black Owl Biochar is a phenomenal company. We're really glad to work with them. We worked with them for over a decade. And the biochar is going to increase our yields and our growth by about 8 or 9% from what we're seeing based on the research that we've done. And biochar is phenomenal. It sequesters carbon. It creates a microhabitats for various microbes that help with nutrient cycling. It's just a wonderful input in general, and it just helps plants grow. And then over here, what you see in this bag here is actually our KiS commercial growers mix. Now, any of our soils are available in these totes by the yard, whether you want the water only, the veggie, seed starter, or one of our commercial growers mixes. The commercial growers mixes have a 10-yard minimum on them, but they're going to be our top of the line mixes with 5% biochar and pricing specifically for growers who are using them in facilities. This particular mix uses KiS compost, and we do that because it is the cleanest commercially available compost that we found in the United States. And this allows us to pass in heavy metal testing in even the tightest, most regulated states out there. And so that's our high-end blend. This is the KiS commercial growers mix. All of these blends are very low in heavy metals overall. The KiS is just the lowest. Beyond that, the biggest difference that you'll see is really price and whether or not the soil contains biochar. Any of these soils will work really well in your garden, and I'm using them all myself in my garden. And every year, all I do is supplement a little bit of our nutrient pack or consider doing soil testing depending on how many cycles it's been in the soil. If you have any questions at all about any of our soils, please do reach out. Happy to answer those questions. A lot of our soils are certified with various organic certifiers, but all of our soils will pass organic certification to NOP standards. If you have any technical questions, please do post them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them, and thanks for tuning in. And thanks for considering KiS Organics in your garden or grow.